Skylar, can you say mama?
Mama.
Good,
Mama.
good job. Can you say mama again? No, mama. Say mama. Skylar, say mama.
Mama.
Good job. What else? Can you say dada? Can you say dada? No? Say mama. Skylar, say dada. No, say dada. Okay, cranky.